want to take this down.
It's all there. Shreyan, woodpecker. Tortoise. Fish.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is the background I'm taking photo. It's so hot today and sunny, so let's put the goggles and hat. And the refrigerator. The sidewalk, so we will just take challenge on the square. Now the pupils come and it's a rock. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I saw the pupils. It's so good. My Mrs. Usnia. It has medicine and value. Let's go. That's going to find our home. And this is our community. It's so much great. Our community is so vast, and we try to find our home in all the different mazes, in different ways to find our home. It's like solving the maze. Look at that crow. Goose.
Not. Da.
Okay, let's find one pebble. I found this pebble. Wow, that's a good white pebble. It got broken from sand. Look at the really, really tall pine trees. Oh, it looks like one is falling down.